So tell us a little bit about AeroVigilance.
So AeroVigilance, our goal with AeroVigilance was to take our unique Homeland Security knowledge and experience and apply it to the private sector as well as public safety, law enforcement. And our goal is to really, accelerate the development of counter-UAS programs that people are going to start to develop to counter the threat of drones, the nefarious use of drones to whether it's our critical infrastructure, mass gatherings, et cetera. I will tell you, it's been a interesting transition going from the FBI to now kind of, trying to build a business. That one of the hardest things was trying to get a name. That was probably one of the most difficult things. It took us months to try to find a name. But really what we're trying to do is we provide program development, training, and then consulting services. And consulting is kind of let me start with program development. So program development, we believe in the use of technology in this space, but we think you need to build a baseline first of, program policies, procedures, training, and understanding of airspace awareness, the rules of the road, the rules of the air, so to speak, the strengths and limitations of technologies, and how you do this mission appropriately. But when it comes to the consulting side, it's kind of a catch-all. It could be for operations support. It could be for product or service development. It could be for site surveys, a variety of different things. So we provide a variety of, really a mix of services for both the end users as well as the counter-UAS product and service suppliers.
All right, very good. I know you both are super busy, just given your background, and part of this company, you've created an interesting collaboration with Skyfire Consulting. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, Skyfire Consulting is doing a lot of great work in the public safety UAS and consulting and training space. So one of the reasons why we partnered with them, we have a little bit of history with them. One of their employees used to work with us, but they're a great company all around. And one of the primary efforts is drone first responder. So that's using drones as a first responder and helping with situational awareness, delivery of tools, whatever that case may be for that drone first responder program. And this is where counter UAS that we talked about is a bit of a misnomer. It's the technologies for counter UAS are for airspace awareness and not just countering drones. So that airspace awareness applies to your BV loss as well as those DFR programs. So the radars you're using, the cameras, the RF sensors can all give you better situational awareness of where your drone is that you're using for public safety purposes. And that's part of our partnership, is kind of helping foster that message and help build out those programs.